Good morning with Ellie. What are you kicking about? Hi. Hi, you kicking? You're busy this morning. You don't say. Hmm? I think I'm going to come here in the morning all the time because she's happy in the morning. She sure is busy. This is thing 1 and thing 2. That's her favorite thing to do. She loves them. She loves them. Yeah, she loves them. She loves them. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me the feeties. Whoa. What are you saying?
Tell him, Ellie.
Tell me how to cow eat the cabbage. Tell me. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, Ellie's in a good mood this morning. Yeah. She's talking to her for toys. And she's kicking her feet. It's a busy girl. And my God, she's big. How old is she today?
Well, on the 25th, she'll be 4 months.
4 months old.
But she already is 16. She already is 16 weeks.
16.
If you go by weeks, she is 4 months. But if you go by 25th to the 25th to
Okay.
the 25th to the 25th, then it's not quite. But
I just want to know when she can drive Grandpa around.
So you drive her around. You got like
Do, 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 do.
for that.
Do, 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 do. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not really a fuss. That's kind of like a... Oh. All right. See you later.